The fireworks are over. 2025 is gone. Another year passed. And I didn't do half of these things.
You feel regret. You think, why bother making new goals?
Don't look back, Leo. You can't drive a car looking in the rearview mirror.
But Mia, I failed last year. New year, new me is just a lie.
It is not a lie. It is a clean slate. A fresh chance.
A clean slate?
Yes. Wipe away the mistakes. Today, we turn over a new leaf.
Okay. Let's write a better story for 2026.
Happy New Year! Let's master the English of new beginnings!
Welcome. 2026. Do you have a list of goals you didn't achieve last year? Don't worry, you are not alone. Happy New Year! Welcome to episode 193 of Grow English Mastery. Can you believe it is 2026? This is the time for hope, the time for plans, and the time for English. Today, we will learn how to talk about your goals and dreams for the new year. We will master 3 key concepts. Concept 1, the beginning, clean slate, fresh start. Concept 2, the change, turn over a new leaf, kick the habit. Concept 3, the celebration, ring in the new year, start off on the right foot. Are you ready to make this your best year ever? Let's go. Part 2. Concept 1. A clean slate. Imagine if you had a magic eraser that could wipe away every mistake you made last year. Well, today is that eraser. Wipe the slate clean. This is a beautiful idiom. In the old days, students used a slate, a black stone board, to write. To start a new lesson, they wiped it clean. So, 2026 is your clean slate. Your mistakes from 2025? Gone. Erased. Leo also said, "The sky's the limit." This means there is no limit to what you can achieve. You can go as high as you want. With this new job, the sky's the limit for her career. Let's see Leo make some promises to himself.
Look at that sunrise, Leo. The first sun of 2026.
It feels different. It feels like a fresh start.
That is the beauty of January 1st. It wipes the slate clean.
Slate? Like a rock?
An old chalkboard. When you erase it, the old words are gone. You can write new ones.
I like that image. I want to forget my bad habits from 2025.
Exactly. Don't go back to square one. Just start fresh.
I'm ready to kick the habit of procrastination.
Kick the habit. Excellent idiom.
'26 is going to be my year.
The sky's the limit, Leo.
The sky is the limit. Let's analyze these phrases.
Part 3. Concept 2. Resolutions. Why do most people quit their goals by February? Because they try to fix the result instead of changing the person. I want to turn over a new leaf. Imagine a book. You turn the page, the leaf, to start a new chapter. We use this when we want to change our behavior for the better. He used to be lazy, but this year he turned over a new leaf. Leo also wants to kick the habit. This means to stop doing something bad. I am trying to kick the habit of smoking. I need to kick the habit of checking Facebook every 5 minutes. And remember to stick to it. Don't quit. Let's watch Leo and Mia celebrate.
So, what are your New Year's resolutions?
Well, number one, I want to get fit. Number 2, master English.
Those are good, but you must stick to them.
That is the hard part. Usually, I give up by February.
Not this time. You need to turn over a new leaf.
Turn over a new leaf. That means to change my behavior, right?
Yes. Yes. Be a new person. A better version of you.
Okay. I will stay on track this year.
And if you fall off, just get back on the horse.
Don't give up. Let's learn the vocabulary of success.
Part 4. Concept 3. Celebration. The fireworks are loud and beautiful, but they only last for a minute. How do you make that feeling last all year? Ring in the New Year. This phrase comes from the tradition of ringing church bells at midnight. It means to celebrate the beginning of the year. We rang in the new year with a big party. Leo also said, start off on the right foot. This means to begin something in a good, positive way. I want to start the relationship off on the right foot, so I bought her flowers. If you start on the wrong foot, it means you started with a mistake or an argument. Let's make sure you start 2026 on the right foot with some practice.
Wow! Look at those fireworks! We are really ringing in the new year with style.
Here is to 2026. Cheers.
Cheers. I hope this year brings you prosperity.
And good health. Health is wealth, as they say.
I have a good feeling about this. I'm going to start off on the right foot.
Yes. Start correctly. Don't start with a mistake.
Let's make it count, Mia.
Let's make 2026 the best year yet. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy 2026. Now, let's review.
Part 5. Vocabulary focus. Definition. Motivation gets you started, but vocabulary keeps you learning. Let's lock these words in. Let's review the New Year vocabulary. Word 1. Resolution. A firm decision to do or not to do something. My resolution is to read 10 books. Word 2. Prosperous. Successful financially. Rich. I wish you a prosperous new year. Word 3. Optimistic. Hopeful and confident about the future. I am very optimistic about 2026. Word 4. To reflect. To think deeply about the past. New Year is the time to reflect on your achievements. Part 6. Shadowing practice. You have the plan. Now you need the voice. Speak loud enough for the universe to hear you. Time to speak. Repeat after me with energy. Phrase 1. The change. I am going to turn over a new leaf this year. I am going to turn over a new leaf this year. Phrase 2. The hope. Let's start off on the right foot. Let's start off on the right foot. Phrase 3. The goal. I promise to stick to my resolutions. I promise to stick to my resolutions. Great job. Part 7. Conclusion and CTA. The calendar has changed. The question is, have you? So, 2026 is here. You have a clean slate. What will you write on it? Will you master English? Will you travel? Don't just dream. Do it. My question for you: what is your number one resolution for 2026? Tell me in the comments. My resolution is to... Writing it down is the first step to making it real. If you are committed to making this English practice plan a part of your life, show your energy by smashing that like button. Be a hero for a friend by sharing this video with someone you know is too busy to study. And to lock in your commitment to this challenge, subscribe and smash that notification bell. Happy New Year! I'm Scarlett. Let's make it count.